In a project like this, there's no rules, no photos from before. You just have to come up with a plan, and hopefully that plan will work.
We knew there was going to be complexity involved, just having the aircraft. And then as the story, as the production ideas started coming to us, we realized this was going to be very complex. It was really pretty extraordinary and quite daunting.
When I first saw the storyboards, putting a model behind a jet engine to blow dry her hair was going to be a problem. The task originally was we needed the equivalent of 1,000 blow dryers. So we even measured the wind speed coming out of a single blow dryer, multiplied it by 1,000 to come up with our final number. Somewhere near 5,000 blow dryers.
We were absolutely amazed at the velocity of air that was occurring, while still being safe for the talent.